Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into health and accident insurance, a key topic for anyone preparing for their insurance licensing exam or just looking to understand how these policies work. I'll break down 56 essential terms you need to know, and I promise to keep it simple and easy to understand. Let's get started. 1. Accident. An accident is an unintended event caused by an external source that results in a loss. For example, slipping on ice and breaking a bone is an accident. 2. Accident insurance. This policy covers losses caused directly by accidents, such as injuries or death. It's a narrow form of coverage focused solely on accidental events. 3. Accidental bodily injury. This term refers to injuries caused by accidents. Many policies define a covered accident as an accidental bodily injury, meaning the injury must be unexpected and unintentional. 4. Accidental death and dismemberment, AD&D. Insurance. AD&D insurance pays a lump sum if the insured dies or loses a limb, dismemberment, due to an accident. For example, losing a hand in a car accident could trigger a payout. 5. Accidental means. This is a strict definition of an accident. It requires the cause of the accident to be unforeseen, unexpected, and unintended. For example, if you slip and fall, the slip must be accidental for coverage to apply. 6. Accidental result. This is a broader definition of an accident. It focuses on the result being unexpected, even if the action that caused it was intentional. For example, if you trip while running and break your arm, the injury is covered because the result was accidental. 7. Affordable Care Act, ACA. The ACA, also known as Obamacare, introduced new standards for health insurance, including mandatory coverage for pre-existing conditions and the creation of government-run marketplaces for buying insurance. 8. Blanket insurance. This covers groups with changing members like students at a school or attendees at a sports event. No individual certificates are issued. Everyone in the group is covered under one policy. 9. Capital sum. In AD&D policies, the capital sum is the amount paid for non-fatal injuries like losing a limb or sight. For example, losing one hand might pay 50% of the principal sum. 10. Civilian Health and Medical Program of the Uniformed Services, CHAMPUS. Now called TRICARE, this program provides health coverage for military members, retirees, and their families. 11. Community rating. Insurers use community rating to set premiums based on the average claims experience of a local community without medical underwriting. 12. Comprehensive policies. These policies cover a wide range of medical expenses and only exclude specific items listed in the policy. They're often referred to as major medical insurance. 13. Credit disability insurance. This policy pays off a loan if the borrower becomes disabled. For example, if you're unable to work due to an injury, the insurer makes your loan payments. 14. Critical illness insurance. This pays a lump sum if you're diagnosed with a serious illness like cancer or a heart attack. It's designed to help cover medical and living expenses. 15. Decreasing term disability insurance. This policy pays a decreasing benefit over time, often used to cover loans. For example, as you pay down your mortgage, the coverage amount decreases. 16. Dental insurance. This covers dental care, including preventive services like cleanings and restorative procedures like fillings. Some plans also cover accidents. 17. Disability, income, insurance. This replaces a portion of your income if you're unable to work due to a disability. For example, if you're injured and can't perform your job, the policy pays a monthly benefit. 18. Dread disease insurance. This provides limited benefits for specific diseases like cancer or heart disease. It's a form of critical illness insurance. 19. Effective date. This is the date your insurance coverage begins. For example, if your policy starts on January 1st, that's your effective date. 20. Elimination period. This is the waiting period before benefits begin, similar to a deductible. For example, a 30-day elimination period means you wait 30 days before receiving disability payments. 21. Endodontics. This dental specialty focuses on root canals and treating tooth pulp diseases. 22. Experience rating. Insurers use experience rating to price group policies based on the group's past claims history. It's common for large groups. 23. Formulary. This is a list of medications covered by a prescription drug plan. If your medication is on the formulary, it's covered. 24. Government insurance. Also called social insurance, this includes programs like Medicare and Medicaid, which are funded by the government. 25. Group health insurance. This covers a group of people like employees of a company under one policy. No individual underwriting is required. 26. Health and accident insurance. This broad category includes policies that cover medical expenses, disabilities, and accidents. It's also called accident and health or disability insurance. 27. Indemnify. To indemnify means to restore someone to their financial position before a loss. Insurance aims to indemnify policyholders. 28. Indemnity plans. These plans reimburse you for medical expenses without requiring you to use a specific network of providers. They're also called fee-for-service plans. 29. Integrated dental plans. These are part of a larger medical insurance policy. For example, your health insurance might include dental coverage. 30. Interim coverage. This is short-term insurance, often used when you're between jobs or waiting for a new policy to start. 31. Hospital indemnity insurance. This pays a fixed amount, e.g. $200 per day while you're hospitalized. The payment goes directly to you, not the hospital. 32. Limited health insurance policy. This provides coverage for specific accidents or illnesses, like travel accidents or cancer. 33. Limited risk policy. This covers specific risks, like injuries from a travel accident or medical expenses from a named disease. 34. Long-term care insurance. This covers the cost of care for individuals who can no longer perform daily activities, like bathing or eating due to illness or aging. 35. Medical expense insurance. This covers costs like hospital stays, doctor visits, and outpatient services. It's the most common type of health insurance. 36. Morbidity. This refers to the likelihood of becoming ill or disabled. Insurers use morbidity tables to predict risks. 37. Non-scheduled dental plan. This plan covers a broad range of dental services, with varying deductibles and co-insurance levels based on the type of care. 38. Open peril policy. This covers all causes of loss except those specifically excluded. For example, a health policy might exclude cosmetic surgery. 39. Oral pathology. This dental specialty deals with diagnosing diseases through tissue biopsies. 40. Oral surgery. This includes procedures like tooth extractions and jaw surgeries. 41. Orthodontics. This specialty corrects teeth alignment using braces or retainers. 42. Patient Protection Affordable Care Act, PPACA. Another name for the Affordable Care Act, ACA, which reformed health insurance in the U.S. 43. Pediatric dentistry. This focuses on dental care for children and adolescents. 44. Peril. A peril is the cause of a loss, like an accident or illness. 45. Periodontics. This specialty treats gum diseases. 46. Predetermination of benefits. This is a pre-approval process to determine if a service is covered. For example, your insurer might review a planned surgery before it happens. 47. Prosthodontics. This specialty provides dentures and other dental prosthetics. 48. Principal sum. In AD&D policies, this is the maximum benefit paid for accidental death or dismemberment. 49. Restorative or restoration benefits. These cover procedures like fillings and crowns that restore tooth function. 50. Scheduled dental plan. This pays fixed amounts for specific services, like $100 for a filling. 51. Short-term medical insurance. This provides temporary coverage, often for 90 days to a year. It's less comprehensive than ACA-compliant plans. 52. Sickness. This refers to illnesses which can be sudden, like the flu, or chronic, like diabetes. 53. Social insurance. Government programs like Medicare and Medicaid fall under this category. 54. Special risk policy. This covers unusual risks like insuring a musician's hands or a pilot's life during test flights. 55. Standalone dental plan. This is a dental policy separate from medical insurance. 56. TRICARE. This is the health insurance program for military members, retirees, and their families. And there you have it. 56 key terms about health and accident insurance that you need to know for your insurance licensing exam or just to understand how these policies work. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.